from Shikhara Tutorials, we have offered an exclusive, we are offering an exclusive offer for students. So those who are going to subscribe for any course, whether it may be EO course, regular batch, either books, anything. So for all these 7 days, we are going to pick one lucky winner, and the students who are actually subscribed yesterday are Sharia Singh, Rana Prakash, Padmasri, Sumant Kumar, Elur, Jayant Kumar, Revant, Srinidhi. So this is the random list. So there is no bias in selection of list. We are using a third party website. So are we going to issue any refund for our beloved students or any fake names and all? There is no possibility. Why? Because we are using a third party software here. Like this every day for coming 6 days also. This is day 1. For coming 6 days also, the process is exactly same. So those who actually purchase any course, it may be EO course, subject wise course, or both groups, irrespective of the amount. It may be 2000, 1000, 45,000. So make sure that students are going to get beneficial with respect to this selection and all. So now I am using the software gigacalculator.com, and I have pasted all the names who has actually subscribed yesterday. So this is the whole names list. So number of names to pick. This website is asking number of names to pick. In this column I am filling only one. That one lucky winner. So I'll press pick a random name. Yes, randomly picked name is Barkavi. Randomly picked name is Barkavi. Okay. So, sir, may I know the amount for which course she has subscribed and all? Revision exam. So, Barkavi, congratulations, ma. So, you are going to get 100% refund of your fee, whatever paid to Shikhara Tutorials. Okay. So, you can please kindly contact to our admin staff. So, they will process 100% refund. 100% sure. And like this, the same refund process is going to be applicable for each and every students for coming 6 days also. So students, hurry up, and there is no bias. Complete transparency we are going to offer in the selection of winner and everything. So likewise, each and every day, one student is going to get 100% of refund. And currently, prices has been reduced. 25% offer is going on. After that, after 7 days, prices will restore to normal one. Each subject 8,000, per group 40, both groups around 60,000. So the same prices will restore to normal one. So make sure that students are going to get benefited in this offer period. Okay, right. Thank you.